Hey, what's up, Angel Coin? So, what's going on? Absolutely very urgent video. If you cannot watch this video, then absolutely don't sell it or don't buy it. Before watch this video, don't sell it. Okay, please, my friend. Engine Coin has completely fails down, but I tell you to what's the reason and what's my prediction to upcoming days. They're going up or they fails down. Absolutely, the CEO of Engine Coin absolutely target very high, my friend. Therefore, I can't believe it. How is it possible? But let's see this time the crypto market just very badly fails down, my friend. So I tell you, my friends, so not just Engine Coin is unique today, completely fails down, my friend. All coin in the last 7 days very badly. XRP is also one of them, my friend. Cardano is also one of them. These two, a Dutch coin also, my friend, starting fails down 24.86%. They fails down. This is not a small change, my friend. And Indian coin is just 17.45% fails down, my friend. This is not a high change. Absolutely, this is not a high change. So let's get started the prediction of Indian coin today. Go up in upcoming days or they fall down. But please, I request you, my friend, to subscribe to this channel. Please click on the red button. Oh my goodness, my friend. This time, if you can see here, the last 1 hour change occurred minus plus 3.06%. They're going up. The positive change. Congratulations, Indian coin. They're starting moving up, and the price is 2.06 US dollar. You can see here very good change after this is the circulation, my friend. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they go up. So this is the circulation, but they gone up, my friend. We are going and the moon. Congratulations, Engine Coin. But let's see the last 7 day result to what's going on in the last 7 day circulation. They are starting really going up or they face down more and more. Okay, my friend. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My formula is going right, my friend. This time, if you can see here, I draw a 2 line. And after this, my friend, you can see here they fails down. And after this fail, they take a small jump. They take a less. Oh my goodness, this is circulation. You can see here. Absolutely, after a fails, they take a jump, my friends. Remember, after a fails, they take a jump. After a fails, they take a jump. Yes, exactly, my friend. This time jumping time, and I hope and this week they if they jump more and more, then absolutely at the end they give you very good profit. They make you a millionaire. So please, 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 all holder of Engine Coin, the target as 5 US dollar, very high target. I tell you to the CEO, I think mad, especially today they hit the target as 5 US dollar. But let's see, my friend, if they're moving up like this in the last 1 hour, absolutely this is easily they can hit it, my friend. But let's see, my friend, please, for latest news and updates, you just subscribe our YouTube channel. I update you every time, every minute, every second, and guide you also. If you want to research, then absolutely research personally. But absolutely, I guide you every time, my friend. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.